Hi, welcome to our channel Shaha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to convert all the text into lowercase with the help of VBA code. So, let's check how it works. First, select the text and click on Convert to Lowercase. You can see all the text has been converted into lowercase. Again, let's see. You can see all are converted to lowercase. Now we will understand how to convert this. So first open the Visual Basic application, press Alt F11. Now go to Insert, then Module, and here we will type the subroutine for that. So type sub convert to lower case. Now we will declare a variable RNG as range. Then we will start a loop for each RNG in selection. Here next RNG. So within this loop we will check whether the range has a formula or not. If it is not formula and the value of the range is a text, then we will convert it into lowercase. So we have two conditions. So type if rng dot has formula equal to false. That means if it does not contain any formula. And the second is worksheet function dot each text rng dot value equal to true. Then close and if, and within the if we'll type rng dot value equal to lcase bracket open rng dot value bracket close. So this is the code, the help of which we can convert any number of text into lowercase. So let's go to Excel, and now here we will assign the macro. So right click, assign macro, convert to lowercase. Okay. Now select the cells, click convert to lowercase. You can see it is converted. So this is the code, the help of which we can convert any text into lowercase. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well, but still if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely reply. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.